morning, students. So now I'll start your social studies class, and we are in chapter 7, latitudes and longitudes. In our previous class, we already took previous two classes. We already completed the chapter latitudes and longitudes. I think you all are now well known about this chapter, and you all now I'll give you today some question answers on this chapter. Before that, I wish to tell you some important points on this chapter. Okay, so let us start. The important points of this chapters are that imaginary line on which our Earth rotates is called as axis. This is axis. Okay, it is an imaginary line. And next, the most important and the longest latitude is the equator. It is 0 degree. It is equator. Okay. And the next point is the equator is an imaginary line which runs through the center of the earth, dividing into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north. This is Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree south, Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degree in north, Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degree south, it is Antarctic circles. These are the main latitude on our Earth. These all are imaginary lines, always remember. And the prime meridian, 0 degree longitude, suppose it is 1 meridian, 0 degree longitude, prime meridian. Prime meridian. This is, suppose this is my prime meridian, 0 degree. It is also 0 degree. Divides the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. The prime meridian runs through the Greenwich in London, and the international deadline passes through the islands of the Pacific Ocean. It is 180 degree. And you know that next is the lines of latitudes and longitudes. These are the lines of latitude. These are the lines of latitude, and these are the lines of longitude from northern to southern, north to south pole, and from east. These are longitudes, north to south pole, and from west to east. These are all latitudes. And the lines of latitudes and longitudes intersect each other at right angle. You can see here, intersect each other at right angle. It is 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. Okay. To form a network of grid. So these are the main points on this chapter. Now we will go to the question answer. Okay. So let us start it. Now, firstly, the objective type questions and answers. First type, name the following. Number 1, imaginary line on which the earth rotates, axis. Shape of our earth is spherical. The top point of axis as well as our planet earth, it is North Pole. And imaginary line drawn from east to west on a globe or map. Parallels of latitude. Next, imaginary line which divide the earth into two equal halves, northern and southern hemisphere, equator. parallel lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole, meridians of longitudes. Next, the parallel of latitude that lies at 23.5 degree south is known as, answer, Tropic of Capricorn. Number 8 then. The longitude passing through 0 degree is known as this, prime meridian. Next, the meridian of 180 degree east and the 180 degree west from the same line are called this, international deadline. Number 10, the largest parallel, equator. 23.5 degree north latitude is called this, Tropic of Cancer. Part of the earth that lies to the east of the prime meridian, eastern hemisphere. Next, all lines of longitude converge here, poles. Equator is also known as this, great circle. 66.5 degree north latitude is called as this, Arctic Circle. Okay, so name the following completed. Now fill in the blank. First, the upper part of the earth above the equator is called northern hemisphere. Here was the blank. Next, our earth is like a round ball but slightly flattened at the top and at the bottom. Here was the slightly flattened. Here was the gap. Next, there are dash latitudes including the equator. There are 181. 181 is the correct answer. Number 4. The parallels are full circle except the North Pole and South Pole, which are points. Next, all meridians are of equal length. Here was the blank, meridians. All meridians are of equal length. The parallels are drawn at an interval of 1 degree. There are dash meridians on the globe, 360 meridians on the globe. Next, latitudes are located at an equal distance from each other. Equal distance, here was the blank. Next, the prime meridian is also known as Greenwich meridian. Next, meridians cut the parallel at dash, right angle. Okay. Next type of question is fill in the blanks completed. Choose the correct option. Okay. First, lines of latitude are labeled in 3 options are here. Feet, inches, degree. Correct option is degree. Next, parallels are marked. Option A from 0 degree to 90 degree. Option B from 0 degree to 180 degree. And option C from 90 degree to 180 degree. Okay. Correct option is from 0 degree to 90 degree. Next, Greenwich is located in option A London, option B New York, option C Kolkata. And the correct option is London. Next, parallels and meridians intersect each other at this angle? Options are 0 degree, 90 degree, 1 degree. Okay. And next is 5. Antarctic Circle is located at option A 66.5 degree N, option B 23.5 degree S, option C 66.5 degree S. So the correct option is 66.5 degree S. It is called as Antarctic Circle. And number 6, network of lines on the globe and map called option A hemisphere, option B grid, option C circle. Correct option is grid. Next, question 7. The local time of this meridian is taken as the standard time for India. Option A 88.5 degree east, option B 88.5 degree east and 80 degree east. So the correct option is 82.5 degree east. Okay. And next, number 8, 90 degree north latitude is also called as option A North Pole, B South Pole, C Arctic Circle. Correct option is North Pole. Next, D. Next type of question. So all the choose the correct options completed. Write true for the correct statement and false for the wrong statement. 1. All parallels are half circle. False. Number 2. Our earth is slightly bulged in the middle. True. Next, our earth moves around the axis from east to west. False. It is from west to east actually. The right answer will be. And next number 4, meridians never meet each other. False. Actually, meridians always meet each other at the poles, you know. Number 5, length of the meridians are same always. It is true. Next, number 6, all parallels and meridians are imaginary line. It is also true. Okay. Next type of question is define the following definitions. Firstly, axis. Imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth is called axis. Definition of axis is imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth is called axis. Latitudes. Next definition, latitudes. The imaginary lines which run horizontally in east-west direction are called as latitude or parallels of latitude. Okay. Next, number 3, longitudes. Lines which are imaginary and run vertically in north-south direction are called longitudes or meridian of longitudes. Next, great circle. Equator is the largest parallel, so known as great circle. Prime meridian. The central longitude that divides the earth into the eastern and western hemisphere is called prime meridian. International deadline. 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridians form the same line and known as the international deadline. Next is grid. The parallels and meridians form a network of lines on the globe which help us to locate a place and is called as grid. Okay. And the next is answer the following in brief. Question 1. Why are imaginary lines drawn on the surface of the globe? Answer. Imaginary lines are drawn on maps and globes to find the location of a place. Next, why latitudes never meet each other? As the parallels of latitude run in east-west direction and parallel to each other, so they never met. Next is differentiate between parallels and meridians. Parallels here, meridians here. You have to create two columns here, parallels and meridians. The first point is parallels run horizontally and meridians run vertically. Second point, there are 181 parallels in all, and here there are 360 meridians in all. Third point is parallels are marked as N north or S south, and meridians are marked as E for east and west, W for west. Next, give characteristics of parallels of latitude. Characteristics of latitudes are: first point, all parallels are full circle, but the length decreases as we move away from equator to poles. And next point, there are 181 latitudes in all, and lines are, next point is lines of latitude are parallel to each other and they never met. Next, give characteristics of meridians of longitudes. Characteristics of meridians are half circle, first point. Second point, due to the shape of the earth, the distance between two meridians is greater near the equator and it keeps on decreasing as we move towards the pole. And the last point is, in all there are 360 meridians. Okay, so these are the question answers, and you all write down these question answers in your school copy. Okay, and try to memorize them all, and I think the chapter is already clear to you. Okay, so in our next class I'll start a new chapter, and this much for today, and you all stay safe till our next class. Bye.